Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Glide apps to Firebase Authentication, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Glide apps to Firebase Authentication, start by opening your Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Navigate to the Authentication tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Get Started to enable Firebase Authentication. Choose the sign-in method you'd like to use. For example, you can enable email/password, Google, or Facebook authentication. Once selected, follow the prompts to configure the chosen method. Next, go to the Web Setup section to get your Firebase configuration. Copy your Firebase API key, auth domain, project ID, and other details. Now, open your Glide app and navigate to the settings. In the settings, find the Authentication section. Select Firebase as your authentication method. Paste the previously copied Firebase configuration into the respective fields. Verify that all required fields are filled correctly. Once completed, click Save to apply your settings in Glide. After saving, return to Firebase and check the Users tab. Here, you can manually add test users for each authentication method you enabled. Now, go back to your Glide app. Design your app to include a login screen. Ensure that the login screen connects to Firebase for user authentication. You can add buttons for each sign-in method you've enabled. Test the authentication flows by logging in with the configured methods. Check that users can sign up, log in, and log out smoothly. If any issues arise, revisit your configurations in both Glide and Firebase. Finally, ensure you handle user sessions and state management within your app. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Glide apps to Firebase Authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.